Have you ever wondered how a single volcanic eruption could tilt the balance of human history? In April 1815, Mount Tambora in Indonesia exploded with a force 10 times that of Krakatoa, spewing ash and sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere. This cataclysmic event led to the infamous year without a summer in 1816. Crops failed globally, from Europe to North America, triggering food shortages and widespread famine. The darkened skies and frigid temperatures even inspired haunting literary works like Mary Shelley's Frankenstein. This lesser-known catastrophe not only reshaped the climate but also left an indelible mark on human culture and survival, proving how profoundly natural events can alter the course of history.